The first time that they had come out, it was freezing rain that day, and they worked for 3-4 hours trying to get the signal that another technician had, and they desperately tried. And when they went back to the office, I got a call the next day that they were going to set up another schedule another appointment in another day. And when they came out, the installation fired off without a hitch, and they found the signal that they were looking for. And I was amazed that they were able to come out in the same week. That really said that they are customer oriented and really trying to help us out.
I had just had a lifetime roof installed on my house, and I was a little concerned, and my house is brick, and I was afraid them getting up there and mounting the stuff on what might be an issue. But they did a beautiful job, didn't hurt the roof, didn't hurt the brick. They were very conscientious about it. And I have a rental property, and they installed a receiver on it too, and they were just great. They just, the whole crew, all the people from NeuBeam just did a great job on installing and not damaging my structures. They did a good job.